Our world is facing unprecedented challenges, from a changing climate to economic instability and social unrest. But these challenges also represent an opportunity to use our collective creative thinking to design a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. This is a practical guide to using creative thinking to solve real-world problems. We'll explore how to generate innovative solutions, overcome creative blocks, and make your imagination work for you. Whether you're an artist, a scientist, a business person, or anything in between, this class will give you the tools you need to approach problems from new angles and to come up with solutions that are both effective and elegant. You'll learn how to use creative thinking to solve problems big and small. For example, how to design a sustainable city of the future, develop new business models for a circular economy, or even just come up with a better way to recycle plastic. You do and need to be a genius or have a fancy degree to be able to think creatively. All you need is a willingness to explore new ideas and a desire to make a positive impact. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at some of the challenges we're facing as a society. Climate change is one of the biggest threats we're facing as a species, but it's also one of the most solvable problems, if we can just think outside the box. What if we could design cities that are not only sustainable but actually sequester carbon from the atmosphere? Or develop new materials that are both strong and lightweight for use in everything from buildings to airplanes? These are just a few examples of how creative thinking can help us address some of the toughest challenges we're facing. But it's not just about solving big problems. Creative thinking can also help us improve our everyday lives. For example, what if we could develop new business models that allow us to produce and consume goods in a more sustainable way, or create products that are not only beautiful but also functional and affordable? In this class, you will learn how to use creative thinking to tackle problems from all angles and come up with innovative solutions that no one has thought of before. You'll explore different ways of seeing the world and learn how to use your imagination to come up with new and better ways of doing things. So whether you're an artist looking for inspiration or a scientist trying to solve a complex problem, this class will give you the tools you need to unlock your creative potential and make your imagination work for you.